Small character inkjet printer. Bracket installation. Install the bracket base. Tighten the 6 fixing screws. Install the first section of the center column and tighten the fixing screws. Install the connecting ring of the 2 sections of the center column. Assemble the J-cross clamps at the other section of the center column. The crossbar for installing the nozzle clamp has no reserved screw holes. The crossbar for installing the light eye bracket has reserved screw holes. Install the nozzle clamp on the upper crossbar. Note the direction of the notch. Install the light eye bracket on the lower crossbar. Connect the 2 sections of the center column. Screw on the top bracket. Install the nozzle. Installation completed.